Welcome back. It's a very breezy, sunny Sunday afternoon. Yeah, it's afternoon already, exactly 12. I've just finished my breakfast, another of the boreks and some yogurt. And I've come down to the most visited place of Belgrade. Yes, I hope you understood by now that where am I right now. I am at the Belgrade Old Town City Fortress. And literally I am walking around the walls or the exterior parts of this Belgrade fortress. Very quickly, this the inner fortification line, and I'll try to follow this and give you guys a quick summary of this place and city of Belgrade overall, and then really go down further towards the exit and the main walking street. So before starting, this is one of the most visited places in Belgrade. Reason being, number one, it's free, and number two, it's beautiful. It's beautiful as in it's lushy green, and adding on, there are two rivers which have come in and joined over here and then flown through. Let's talk about that further down. It's a long walk, so let's keep walking and keep talking. It's quite a rough place through which I'm walking right now, so please ignore all the vibrations on the video. So this fortification wall continues, and I'm reaching towards the main visiting point or the viewing point of the fortress, which is the statue. And from here it will be a bit easy to explain this place and further things. So as I was mentioning, one of the main reasons why this place is so beautiful is, of course, the old structures, the medieval structure, but also the joining of these two rivers. I'm not sure my night video came earlier than this one or will follow this video, but probably I was wrong in the video then. This one is river Sava, and that one which is coming from that side is the river Danube. Both of them join here and then flow down. Now Danube is been shared by many other recently neighborhood Balkan countries, and Sava flows in through Serbia. Sava is named after the famous saint of Serbia, Saint Sava, who was one of the founders of the Orthodox Christianity of Serbia, and on his name the Sava temple is also being named after. Wow, that's a lovely frame actually. So yeah, it's one of the most visited places in Serbia. The statue is beautiful. He should have worn some clothes. Naughty him. I don't know who is this, but quite a muscular guy. Anyways, distractions. So coming back, this place is very beautiful at night. Really very beautiful and very colorful as well, because the other part of the town which you can see on the other side of this river is the modern Belgrade, which is all the upcoming new skyscrapers, and they are lit very beautiful and colorful at the night. So a must recommendation is, whenever you are in Belgrade, definitely view twice. Once in the morning, probably in the early morning, to avoid this kind of a scorching sun, and then definitely at the sunset, because sunset from here is really beautiful, really beautiful. This probably is an important house. I don't know, I mean, everything is written in Serbian language, so it's very tough to understand. Probably one of the important house from the Royal Majesties, not sure, but looks beautiful. And then there's this positioning of this cafe, which I was sitting last night and enjoying the river view, is fabulous. Okay, and don't go by the emptiness of this area. It's actually chock-a-block in the evening when there is less of sun, and the view is beautiful, even beautiful, because of this sunset, the dusk time, and the colorful modern Belgrade side. So what I'll do is I will try to go down from here gradually. There's a miniature which probably will help us to understand this area further better. Let's see. Yes, so this on a very high level is the fortress. Nice. It's a huge one. It's a huge one. There's no picture of that statue, so I'm not sure where exactly we are right now in this perspective, but it's a huge spread out one. The fortress, must visit. Now what I'm doing is you can take two ways out. This side you can go through the gardens and gradually reach towards the main walking street. What I'll do is I will take the way back on the fortress walls and come out through the fortress and reach towards the area where people can sit around and relax. And an art exhibition is also going on, which has made the place even more beautiful. So I'll follow that one and quickly go down. So this is one of the main exit or entrance gates of the fortress. And the cafe which I was mentioning from the top can be visited from here. It's actually a good view, so I'll just do a quick one. That's the house which I was talking from the top. And that's the cafe. And the reason why it's beautiful is because of the river in front of it. That's River Sava. Okay. Coming back. So yeah, I'm gradually out. These are the common structures of every fortress. Some kid is shouting. These are drenched, I guess. They're filled out of water. Used to be filled out of water to create a barrier from the main fortress and the separate landmass. This is one final view. This is the top where I was there. And then I will go gradually towards that side. Just wanted to give a further quick view of the rivers. Can you imagine the view? You will get a better picture. So this is Branko Most, the bridge through which the airport buses come in and bring us into the old Belgrade town. That's the opposite side, which is the modern Belgrade. Right now it may look like just some skyscrapers, but in the night it's very beautiful and very colorful. Definitely a must watch. And what I've heard is, I don't know, you can see these places. These are floating party pads, or I don't know. I mean, basically at night these are open for partying all through the night, and on just floating on these rivers. I've heard about it, not sure, never tried. Maybe I'll try today. Let's see. So quickly going back. Now I'm reaching towards the outsides and gradually towards the end point of the fortress. There's a final view. This is called a King Gate. Okay, there's a nice. Oh, and before forgetting, this has been built pre-World War II and is maintained, protected since then. This is the oldest architecture of Belgrade and has been protected very well. It's been long and it clearly calls out. So this is the cafe which I was talking, and since I've been here last night, the view from here is amazing. Once you are done roaming around, that's another recommendation. You should sit down and relax with your coffee or a beer. It's very cheap. Everything is very cheap over here compared to all the other countries which I've visited nearby. Let's take this one. It's a rough road, so again it may be a bit shaky. So folks are enjoying, and I'll take my exit from here throughout this beautiful garden. Oh, one more thing, drinking water. Fountain drinking waters or any random water which you can see flowing out is okay to drink, drinkable. I have drank it lots and lots of times. It's safe. So that's another view of that bridge and the modern Belgrade. That's River Sava continuing, and further down through the gardens, this is another viewpoint from the area below, which is very much crowded in the evening when it's not that sunny and scorching heat. This is the art exhibition going on. It goes on for further down. Beautiful pictures. Unfortunately, everything is written in Serbia, so I can just admire for the time being, but really can't understand quite a few things, or mostly many things. But yeah, that's it. Video has become very long. This is kind of the exit of the fortress towards the main street. If I have gone through the garden, I would have gone through that place. Coming out from here, you go this way and reach you to the walking street of Serbia, Belgrade. Anyways, that's it. Hope to see you soon from some other place of the city Belgrade. Bye bye for now. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye from now.